name's Will. I've been blowing glass for 14 years. I've been here blowing glass with these guys for about 3 years. I'd have to say this is the strongest crew that I've had a chance to work with. Everybody is pushing everyone every day to step their game up and keep doing new things. So it was 1995 when I started blowing glass, and I was blowing glass with some of the Snodgrass influenced crew, specifically Cameron Towers, who I'm thankful for all his help and like breaking me in, getting me up and running as a glass blower. I spent all of my career up in the Northwest up until 3 years ago. Can't believe I did that. It's cold in the wintertime up there and rainy. Down here in Cali, SoCal, it's beautiful. We blow glass in shorts all year round. Well, for my first 7 years, I was blowing glass by hand, doing torch work, always doing a lot of fume work up until the end of my handworking career, where I started doing a lot of solid color work and using a lot of Glass Alchemy's colors to really make my pieces bling. For the last 7 years, I've been working on the lathe. I started doing that because of tendonitis setting in, but got beyond that and now crushing it on the lathe. Do all kinds of pieces on the lathe. But my style at this point, I'm doing a lot of clear glass, a lot of beaker style stuff, following suit with Rohr and other companies that are really crushing it. We're throwing a lot more artistic stuff in there, following suit of what JBD was doing, sculptural work. I don't know, and I'm basically, I guess, I kind of conduct the piece, whereas I have the crew around me. Everybody's doing their part. They hand me the pieces and I try and put it together as best I can. Really, of all the shops I've worked in, no one's doing it like this. Started like mom and pop, and we're just building it up as we go. We're all really creative, and we all can do production work if we, when we feel like it, but our artistic glass is just blowing up, and every day these guys are taking it to the next level. As far as glass goes, the goal is to just keep pushing it as far as we can. So my name's Will, and if you guys want to get in touch with Original Glass, you want to hit us up on MySpace, whatever you want to do, ask for me, Will Glass. I'll be making your next piece, hopefully.